Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So Huawei launched their new Huawei P Smart S mid-range smartphone. Huawei has added a new member to its P smartphone lineup, dubbed with Huawei P Smart S. It is powered by the Kirin 710F SoC and come with a 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage on board. It also has dedicated slot for the nanometer card, which allows storage expansion by up to 256 gigabytes. The P Smart S boots Android 10 with EMUI 10.1 on the top, but it does not come with a Google mobile service, meaning you have to rely on a Huawei mobile service and app gallery to download your favorite apps. The Huawei P Smart S support a 6.3-inch OLED display of Full HD Plus resolution with a fingerprint reader underneath of the biometric authentication. For photography, the Huawei P Smart S has a total of 4 cameras, a 16 megapixel selfie shooter on the front and 48 megapixel main at the back, joined by 8 megapixel ultra wide 120-degree FOV and 2 megapixel deep sensor module. So 3 cameras on the back side and 1 front facing camera. Filling with the entire package is 4000 mAh battery, which charge through a USB-C port up to 10 volt. Other highlight of the Huawei P Smart S include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 3.5mm headphone jack and NFC support. If all sound familiar to you, because of the Huawei P Smart S is rebranded of the Huawei Enjoy 10s launched last year in China. The Huawei P Smart S has a 2-color option, Breathing Crystal and Midnight Black. It is priced at a $290 and it's up for purchasing in Italy through the company official Italian site. If you ask me for this smartphone, I think this smartphone is overpriced because $240 and $280 now available the 5G Huawei and Xiaomi smartphone as well. But if you want to buy, that's all up to you. But I suggest to buy the 5G smartphone in this price range. The other specification of this smartphone has 163 grams weight of this smartphone, and it has a hybrid dual nano SIM with a dual standby. It has 3.2 screen to body ratio with a 20:9 ratio and 1080p by 2400 pixel 418 pixel density screen. It has a octa-core 2.2 GHz with a Cortex A73 and Cortex A53, and GPU is a Male G51 MP4. So guys, that's it for now, and if you want to buy this smartphone, you can go to the Huawei official Italian website and the link in the description. Go and check it out. By the way, like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.